Tell you what, that was some walk, eh? I'm absolutely exhausted, but well and truly worth it once you get here. See if I can show you. Just over here on the northern side of the river, there's actually a road. So if you're going to be coming in, I'll be saying probably best to come in on the northern side of the river, not the southern side, which I come in. I would have walked about a K back to where the car's parked, and it's a fucking mission, eh? It's not easy. What I might do is go back here a bit. I might go back here a bit and walk straight up that cliff face there, and hopefully I can find a logging track, which should take me back down the river to where my car's parked. G'day. Alright, just doing a bit of exploring. I'm on the Monaro Highway heading towards Bombala. There's a spot down here called Rockton Falls. I'm going to take you down and show you that. I've known about it for probably the last 20, but I've never got in here. I tried coming the other week from the other side, from the southern side of the, I think it's might be Genoa River. I was told there's a road on the other side, so on the northern side, so I've just come up here now. I found a gate, so I've just jumped over the gate. I'm actually in the BT50 this time around. Troopers in getting a bit of work done to it, a bit of rust cut out, and a new snorkel being fitted, and then it's off to the mechanic to do a bit of work as well. Anyway, just on the walk down here now. Okay, well, just went for a bit of a walk down here, trying to find the top of the falls. So I'm above them at the moment. Now, it's pretty thick, dense down there. I've got carrying my drone and tripod and that, so I'm just going to put the drone up now and hope for God I don't crash it. Because last time I was down here, looked like there was an access on the other side, but on the high side of the waterfall, and I don't know, there must be another road that goes there, so I was told I'll hit a gate up top there, which I found, and I'll have to walk down, but I'm still not where I need to be. So I'll put the drone up and see what I can find. Just put the drone up there, and there's another track over further, so I'll head back out of here and see if we can find that track. Okay guys, I'm just heading down this little track here. It's just a little forestry track used for clearing and that stuff, logging. I'm hoping this will get me down to the base of the falls. Should be, I know there's a spot down there. I just couldn't make it for walking with all my gear, so we'll head down here and see where it ends up. There she is. Nowhere to really turn around down there, so I'll just walk you down. All right, here we are, Rockton Falls. Okay, so Rockton Falls. It's not bad, it's one of those little local spots. I think most people in Bombala and the surrounding area would know it, but if you didn't know about it, just keep driving past it, I reckon. This is the cracker of a waterfall and swimming hole. Like, it's pretty deep apparently, but I advise you to check if you're going to jump. I know there's plenty of spots you can jump from, multiple levels. So this is what I'm going to try to endeavour to do, is try and find places on the way to Snowy Hydro and on the way home from Snowy Hydro, just points of interest, places you guys would like to see. So you ever driving down the Cam Valley Highway or the Monaro Highway, pop in and see this. Good spot. All right, I'll get back on the road, got to keep heading. All right, hope you enjoyed it. It's a short little video, out exploring our great country. Cheers.